AP 1047. Panuto. Punan ang mga patlang ng tamang sagot. Fill in the blank with the correct answer. Ang mga pagpipilian ay ang mga sumusunod. The choices are the following: parihaba or rectangle, bakya or wooden shoe, sapatos or shoe, babae or girl or woman, jeep or jeepney, sombrero or hat or cap, Tagalog, a Filipino hat, palda or skirt. Bilang isa. Ang salakot ay isang uri ng blank. Isa-isahin natin ang kahulugan ng mga salita. Uri means kind or type in English. Salakot means a Filipino hat or cap in English. The complete sentence in English is, the salakot is a kind of blank. Kaya ang tamang sagot ay, ang salakot ay isang uri ng sombrero. Yes, the correct answer is sombrero. Sombrero also means a hat or cap in English. The salakot is a kind of sombrero. Bilang dalawa. Ang blank ay gawa sa dahon ng anahaw at kung minsay sa maninipis na kawayan. Isa-isahin natin ang kahulugan ng mga salita. Gawa means made of. Dahon ng anahaw means leaves of anahaw plant. Minsan, minsan ay, or minsay means sometimes. Manipis means thin. Kawayan means bamboo. The complete sentence in English is, the blank is made of leaves of anahaw plant and sometimes of thin bamboo. Kaya ang tamang sagot ay, ang salakot ay gawa sa dahon ng anahaw at kung minsay sa maninipis na kawayan. Yes, the correct answer is salakot. The salakot is made of leaves of anahaw plant and sometimes of thin bamboo. Bilang tatlo. Hugis parisukat o blank ang bahay kubo. Isa-isahin natin ang kahulugan ng mga salita. Hugis means shape. Parisukat means square. Bahay kubo means naipa hut. The complete sentence in English is, the shape of naipa hut is square or blank. Kaya ang tamang sagot ay, hugis parisukat o parihaba ang bahay kubo. Yes, the correct answer is parihaba. Parihaba means rectangle. Pare from the word parehas or the same, and haba means long. The shape of naipa hut is square or rectangle. Bilang anim. Halos 60 taon na sa Pilipinas ang blank. Isa-isahin natin ang kahulugan ng mga salita. Halos means almost. 60 taon na means 60 years already. Sa Pilipinas means in the Philippines. So the complete sentence in English is, almost 60 years already in the Philippines, the blank. Kaya ang tamang sagot ay, halos 60 taon na sa Pilipinas ang jeep. Yes, the correct answer is jeep. Jeep means jeepney in English. Almost 60 years already in the Philippines, the jeepney. Bilang 5. Ang saya ay mahabang blank na pinapapatungan ng isang telang tinatawag na tapis. Isa-isahin natin ang kahulugan ng mga salita. Saya, a long skirt. Mahaba means long. Pinapapatungan means laid on. Isang tela means one piece of cloth. So the complete sentence in English is, the saya is a long blank that is laid on by one piece of cloth called tapis. Kaya ang tamang sagot ay, ang saya ay mahabang palda na pinapapatungan ng isang telang tinatawag na tapis. Yes, the correct answer is palda. Palda means skirt in English. The saya is a long palda or skirt that is laid on by one piece of cloth called tapis. Bilang 6. Ang barot saya ang pambansang kasuotan ng mga blank sa Pilipinas. Isa-isahin natin ang kahulugan ng mga salita. Pambansang kasuotan means national dress. Ng mga means of. Sa Pilipinas means in the Philippines. So the complete sentence in English is, the barot saya is the national dress of the blank in the Philippines. Kaya ang tamang sagot ay, ang barot saya ang pambansang kasuotan ng mga babae sa Pilipinas. Yes, the correct answer is babae. Babae means a girl or a woman in English. The barot saya is the national dress of the babae, girl or woman in the Philippines. Bilang 9. Ang mga babae noong araw ay hindi nagsusuot ng blank. Isa-isahin natin ang kahulugan ng mga salita. Ang mga babae means the women. Noong araw means those previous years or early years. Ay hindi nagsusuot ng means were not wearing. So the complete sentence in English is, the women in those previous years or early years were not wearing blank. Kaya ang tamang sagot ay, ang mga babae noong araw ay hindi nagsusuot ng sapatos. Yes, the correct answer is sapatos or shoes in English. The women in those previous years or early years were not wearing shoes. Bilang 7. Ang blank ay gawa ng magaang na kahoy. Isa-isahin natin ang kahulugan ng mga salita. Gawa means made of. Magaang means light. Kahoy means wood. So the complete sentence in English is, the blank is made of light wood. So the complete sentence in English is, the blank is made of light wood. Kaya ang tamang sagot ay, ang bakya ay gawa ng magaang na kahoy. Yes, the correct answer is bakya or wooden shoes in English. The blank is made of light wood. Bilang 9. Ang mga lalaking blank ay nagsusuot ng baro. Isa-isahin natin ang kahulugan ng mga salita. Ang mga lalaking means the men. Ay nagsusuot ng baro means were wearing baro. So the complete sentence in English is, the men of blank were wearing baro. Kaya ang tamang sagot ay, ang mga lalaking Tagalog ay nagsusuot ng baro. Yes, the correct answer is Tagalog. The men of Tagalog were wearing baro. Tagalog is a group of people in the Philippines who speak the Tagalog language or dialect. Congratulations! You are now done with AP 1047 Part 1.